Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. You know what's the funny thing? I was not mama's twist. I wasn't even thinking that I was gonna vlog today, and then I say, you know what, why not? It is a rainy, extremely rainy day. I am out because, well, Ian has a side visit to go to, and I say, you know what, let me just go for a drive too, because I kind of like bored at home. And I am here in Manoo Road. Hold on. Long time I didn't get bananas for my shake, and it have one place in Manoo Road that I love to stop because he does really hook me up with all the extremely ripe stuff. So yes, I'm going. I'm coming. This place like real wet. I don't know if that's the guy. It doesn't look like the guy. Hi. What extremely ripe bananas you have? I don't know if that's the guy I deal with, but it doesn't. It doesn't look like a way like real overripe.
Oh, you looking for the
yeah. Does it have a next guy who's be here?
Yeah, you have to step out the flower.
Oh. And this.
You got the one right.
Okay, well, you don't have my kind, so I'll take one for him still because he wants. Choose your bananas, love. I know. Look, the best.
How much
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry, Laura, but I didn't get what I wanted. The guy wasn't even there. So next up is your site visit. Are you happy I got bananas? He said a long time here eat bananas. Let's see, you don't know. You love that?
Yeah, it's good.
That's really not funny right there. And he happy. $12 to some happiness. So we're in Chaguanas, stuck in traffic, and I just want to take this time to say there's a couple of things I would like to do. We have like approximately 2 more weeks before I go back out to work, so I want to take this time to start my Tisane cleanse. I'll do it in the pill form. I also want to get some apple cider vinegar to do the apple cider vinegar water every morning. And the rain falls every single day, so that kind of like disrupted me from doing my daily workout. But I know that's probably a little excuse because I could work out inside my place. But in all honesty, I just don't like working out. I prefer eat healthy. So I'm real happy for that, because if I didn't, I might have been so extremely unhealthy. But yeah, so 2 things I want to do today: get my apple cider vinegar, and I also want to get a Tisane, the pills, and I feel it for cake. So as I enter Chaguanas, can I please stop Kiss and buy a cake?
And you have a jet box.
Oh, I had a good jet box. Okay, we moving on. This is Chaguanas Main Road on a Tuesday at approximately 2:30.
Is it hot?
Yeah. I was just busy there, but
Never see Chaguanas like this before.
all overclosed. Heading towards Ian's
Site
destination to make a site visit. One last one, come Chaguanas, guys. Look at this.
You have Laura's by her shoes.
Where? With the markets. You real what I plan? Site visit complete. I am off to. How are the reaching Kiss from here, boy?
You're going to kiss it, you want to go jet box.
Well, I mean, jet box is Barataria. We in Chaguanas. Kisses in. I don't need the cake, huh?
You don't need the cake, and you don't need to buy it in Kiss.
Okay, alright, true. Alright, so we squash and kiss then. Okay, let's go.
You're not driving mood.
mask up. We're here.
You have to collect Fiend's phone.
Take off my push right back, please. Here to collect Feeney's phone. It is raining. Weather like this just have me feeling so energized. My chakra beads probably like fully energized today. Go up with my bag, man. You'll be embarrassed. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Such a girl. Your phone is here. No, I love to open packages, but I will not do that to you. I will bring it home and surprise you. You have no idea your phone is here yet. So, I will pay shipping for you. That's my gift to you. I could only imagine. I am so excited. It's not even mine. So I could just imagine she when I come home and I show her this box.
Yeah, she gonna be.
Time to buy my apple cider vinegar. I'm in the grocery. I said kiss van now pull up, so I know I'm going to get some fresh cake. Honey, you see, you didn't want me to go kiss. Kiss came to me. I was destined to have that cake today. The man I set up at the shelf as yet and I'm waiting. So I decided instead to just do the tisane. I am not going to do the apple cider vinegar because this alone is just good enough for me for now. When this is finished, I will start with my apple cider vinegar. So in case you all don't know, I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys know about tisane, but for those who don't know, tisane is a powerful blood purifier, detoxifier, and parasite eliminator. The last time I did one of this was like about 2 years ago, but I think you can do it every 3 months. But you know me, everything in moderation. So I just had some iced tea here that I made myself in my pristine bottle. Iced tea is very good for you and very refreshing. So I have some shout outs to do. So let me do that before I close off the video. So I ended up not getting any kiss cake. I got like, remember I told you all in one of my videos, this is like one of my favorites right now. I got that instead. Anyways, moving on to the shout outs. Want to say special hi going out to Nakisha, Lachman Mahabir, Risha Baliram, Amanda, Anthony, Andrew and Kelsey, Selena Paul. Belated birthday greetings going out to Alyssa. Also hi going out to Shivana Maharaj, Azara Mohammed, Patricia Janki, Ataya Sipasad. I hope I pronounced that correct. And finally, early birthday greetings going out to Josiah, Dylan and Shaylin. This is coming from your cousin Crystal, Ryan and Laura, Mom Marlene, Dad Lynch and Auntie Martha. Happy birthday going out to you guys and all the best wishes to you. So many of you will have been asking me about my chakra bracelet, where I got it, what does it do. This was given to me as a gift for my birthday by Craftings by NYS. Now she does all these things handmade, and now I will give you a little insight of what it is, right? Now chakra bracelets work with positive energy, and you all know me, how I feel about balancing off my energies, and I believe in the negative energy and the positive energy. It is real. Do your research. Believe me, it is real. Now we all know most of our life problems are brought on by negative energy and thoughts, right? This is just something we cannot help because stress is real. So now when the 7 chakra bracelets are worn, it helps to keep them, which is these, the beads, and you all see here it's 7. It helps to keep them at their right energy levels, causing us, the wearer, to feel more balanced. So if you don't believe me, check it out. I mean, there's so many things on Google when it comes to chakra bracelets. You can determine it for yourself. So I just don't know what is the correct side, which hand you wear the bracelets on. If it's left, because some I see left, some I see saying right, but I guess whatever, right? So check out the page. She does these things by orders. It's handmade. Support local. Support your smaller scale businesses. Check out these things. I believe make like the perfect gift for somebody. You know, it have sometimes you want to buy something for somebody and you just don't know like what the hell can I buy for this person. They have everything. These make perfect gift items for a man, for a woman, for a child. So and this is actually I got this on my own now. It is called the LM chakra bracelet. So thank you very, very much. So yeah, you can pre-order these as well. Just ask for the LM chakra bracelet. So guys, that was it today for my video. This was the main thing here. I am happy I got my child gift. Well, it's not a gift, she bought it, but I finally got it. Finally got it here, and I am excited to go and give this to her. I mean, she knows the phone coming, but she's waiting so long for it that she's starting to lose a little the excitement just gone. So that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for keeping me company. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Thank you all so much for all your love and support. Stay safe, have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.